Go.
Okay, so now we're at the increase part, which is the part that might panic you, but I promise you, you can do it. So remember, it's a right side row, so that means these 3 stitches, we knit them. Knit 1, 2, 3. And I'm actually at the 4th row, which means I also have to make an increase right after the first stitch marker. And that first marker increase has to be a left leaning increase. And it tells you in the pattern, but a left leaning increase means that I pick up this strand of yarn from the back for the left. Oh, sorry, I lied. From the front for a left leaning. So see that little loop there? You pick it up and then you knit it through the back loop. And that creates a left leaning increase. I only do this on every 4th row. But every 2nd row, we do all the raglans. So I'm going to knit, knit, knit until I get to my raglan stitch, which is where those 2 markers are. And when I get right to the one right before it, it tells me to do a right leaning increase. So that means for a right leaning increase, I pick up the strand of yarn from behind and then I knit through the front. That makes a right leaning increase. I slip the marker, I knit normally, I slip the marker, and on the other side it wants another left leaning increase like we did back here. And the left leaning increase, remember we pick up the strand of yarn between the stitches from the front and we knit it through the back loop. And now we just carry on regular knitting, regular knitting, regular knitting until we reach the next raglan. And when we get to the next raglan stitch, that'll be the marker when I get to it. Knitting normally, knitting normally, knitting normally. And again, when you get to the marker, the first one that you do is a right leaning increase. For a right leaning increase, we pick up the strand of yarn between the stitches from behind and we knit it through the front. We slip the marker. We knit the raglan stitch, we slip the marker, and on the other side, we want a left leaning increase. And for a left leaning increase, we remember that we pick up the strand of yarn from the front. You see that nice bar there? You pick it up from the front and you knit it through the back loop. You're gonna carry on doing that all the way down. Next raglan, same thing, right then left leaning. Same thing down here, right then left leaning. And then when you get to that stitch right before this marker, you're going to do a right leaning and you're going to finish that whole row. After that, you purl one whole row, and then the next row, you do not do the increases at the start and the end. The pattern will help you with that, as will I on Tuesday night.